Hi, I'm Brent Cooper. I'm one of the instructors here at Gateway Community College, Central City campus, where we teach collision repair. In our program, we will teach you how to repair sheet metal. We'll teach you also how to repair plastics and composites. Once you're completed on that side of the course, we'll take you over to the refinish, where we'll teach you automotive refinishing, priming, buffing, and detailing. In our program, students can expect to spend approximately 7 months. The actual hours in lab are close to 600 hours, and in theory, in the classroom, you're spending about 100 hours. Once the students graduate our program, many of them go on to start their own businesses. Quite a few others go on to work for large body shops. For more information about our program or to enroll, please visit gatewaycc.edu.